A warm and radiant morning to one and all. Kindly take your seats. Also, we request you to turn your cell phones on silent mode. We are about to step into the world of business and trivia with our engaging corporate quiz. We wholeheartedly welcome you, dear parents. We are delighted to have you join us today. It indeed is a proud moment to witness your child step to the front foot and battle out for the top position in the GDGIS corporate quiz. We also extend a warm welcome to all our students and teammates. Prayer is a divine ambrosia to purify the mind, body, and spirit. This is a sacred moment to express gratitude and seek blessings from the Omnipotent, the architect of our universe. Let's come together in unity and prayer. And for the same, I would like to request our Director Principal, Mrs. Jayashree Chararia, Higher Section Assistant Coordinator, Mrs. Hetal Tamakuwala, and our guest and host for the day, Mr. Prateek Gandhi, to come forward and ignite the sacred lamp. And Dhaval sir, of course. Yes, sir. We would like to call the choir upon the stage. Nitya Gupta from class 12, Akshara Mishra and Arush Gandhi from class 10. Thank you, dear all. You may now take your seats. As we embark on this event, we are privileged to have among us a leader whose tireless dedication has consistently fostered an environment of academic excellence and intellectual growth. The principal, through her profound insight and untiring efforts, has significantly contributed to the growth of GD Goenka International School, Surat, and has inspired countless students along the way. Her commitment to nurture young minds, driving innovative thinking, and fostering a spirit of inquiry is truly commendable. Thank you, Jayashree ma'am, for being our guiding light. Dear audience, welcome to the GDGIS Corporate Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge, teamwork, and strategic thinking skills as you compete with other brilliant minds. Remember, it's not just about winning, it's about having fun and learning along the way. Moving on, with great pleasure and honor, I invite on stage our esteemed Head of Department of Commerce, Mr. Bilal Fayaz. Under his leadership, the department has not only excelled in academics, but also in fostering a culture of research, inclusivity, and continuous improvement. Without further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to our Head of Department of Commerce, Mr. Bilal Fayaz.
Good morning to one and all. Respected principal ma'am, dear parents, I know your schedule is a bit delayed by 20-25 minutes, but we had one event where the ACP was addressing 9th and 10th standard students. So there we could not manage those 15-20 minutes. I apologize for it. But coming back to the point, this event today, which you can see, the idea started by our principal ma'am when she sent me and Sohail sir to Mumbai last year. We witnessed Dhaval sir and Pratik sir over there who were hosting corporate quiz at Mumbai. Believe me, an auditorium of near about 600-700 students, a pin drop silence at the starting of every question. Until they are set to answer, they were not answering. That was a miracle happened that day because I never saw that happening in our campus ever. So from there we came back and it is 1 year since we tried to do it in Goenka. The students of Goenka, it's something known to them. But to witness such an event is something like when you start, you get to know what it is actually. Now, I'll just give you a brief introduction of Mr. Pratik. Can we have a next slide, please? Can we have the next slide? Okay. Mr. Pratik is the founder of one of the founders of the Luxury Retail College in Mumbai, one of a dedicated teacher and a dynamic personality. You have already heard from him. Along with him, we have Dhaval sir, who would be the host for today's quiz. He would be there. You would enjoy with both of them. I'll not take much of your time. So quickly shifting to the event, I invite Pratik sir on stage. Pratik sir, the stage is entirely yours now.
So, good morning, GD Goenka. How are you all, guys? Good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, so you all guys must be now waiting to what exactly are we doing it, guys. Let me welcome to you for the first edition of Corporate Quiz, which GD Goenka has been hosting. This for the first time in your campus. I'm sure you guys are new to this part of it. But as Bilal sir was talking about the excitement level which is going to build up, the question we're going to throw up, audience question, there are a lot of prizes which are going to be there for you all guys. So what are we going to guys do in next few seconds is quickly call up the team which has got qualified here. So can we invite all the participants to be there? Bilal sir, how many teams did participated in this? 90 teams, ladies and gentlemen, and there are 6 people who have got qualified. Can I have a big round of applause for all the 6 teams, guys? Come on, this is going to be competition. Kaun kisse behtar hai, hatke, this is what we want right now. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So what I can do, guys, is let me call quickly to those people who have just got qualified. And I want all people to put your hands together for the first team, Titans. Where are Titans, guys? Come on. Okay, we got those teams of Titans. You heard the names, Titans? Okay. We got a boy and a girl here. Which standard, guys, you got from? 11th. 11th standard. What's your name, dear?
Kashvi Agarwal.
Kashvi Agarwal. And?
Sir, Divit. From
Sorry?
Divit.
Divit and Kashvi. Can we have a round of applause? Come on, guys. They're looking a little nervous. Your round of applause will cheer them up. The Titans is taking a place here. Okay. There are 3 peoples? Okay. Can we have the next team, ladies and gentlemen, who just qualified? Leaders. Who are the teams and leaders? Come on. Oh, we got all 3 smart boys here coming in. Come on. Round of applause for them. Okay. Come, have a seat and we're going to have a quick introduction from you. Just take a seat. Okay. Hi. Just have a seat. We're going to introduce you all later. Can we have the champions coming up? Come on, where are the champions? Oh, let's see. Today in the afternoon, are you the real champion going to take away this lovely trophy? The most coveted one. Guys, come on, yaar. Tali bajao, yaar. Make them feel they are here. Come on. Okay. Guys, see your mics are working or not? Just check it. Roger 1, Roger 2, copy that. Yeah? Okay. We're going to have a strict things going on. Then can we have a pioneers? Where are pioneers? Okay. So three people again in the pioneers. Okay, people in the balcony, wake up, come on. Okay. So we got the pioneers here. Now coming innovators. Where are innovators? Innovators. Oh, again a smart team here. Come on. So there are a lot of audience prizes. ऐसा ठंडा होगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा. I mean, there are a lot of good prizes. And ma'am, Jayashree ma'am have already told me, if the audience is really good, next year, the prize are going to be double of that, right? So let's be ready for that part of it, which is going to be there. Okay, so we got innovators, we got pioneers, and we have the last team. Let's give a big round of applause. Achievers. Where are achievers? Okay. All three boys. Wow. This is going to be Kaate ka takkar, man. Okay. So guys, quickly, I think one of you is just a little late. Can you introduce yourself? Take a mic. Tell hi to your friends.
Hi, hello everyone.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Ayush Goyal.
And which standard are you from?
I'm in 11th.
Okay, he's in 11th standard, Ayush. Yeah, thanks, Ayush. Come on.
My name is Jai Badani.
Jay Badani. Okay, and which standard? 11th standard. Oh, wow. What about you, darling?
My name is Raghav Jhunjhunwala and
Okay, Raghav Junjunwala. Okay.
11th standard.
11th standard. Lot of FIJC making it here. Wow.
I am Meet Advani from class 12.
Okay, look at that. There's already a fan following for you. Look at the audience. Wow. See, there are people who are dancing and waving you. Wow. Even Virat Kohli now a fan following like yours. Wow. Okay.
My name is Nanne Panchotia from grade 11th.
Okay, grade 11 standard. Okay.
My name is Lisa Gadara from grade 11.
Okay, all 11 standard. Kya baat hai?
I'm Mohak Agarwal from grade 12.
Okay, grade 12. One of the grade 12. There are 12 standard people. Cheer up for him, yeah? Oh, wow. Yeah. Are you taking your mic?
I am Hitanshi Mehta.
And which standard?
11th.
11th standard, Hitanshi Mehta. Okay.
I am Zia Monpara from 11th standard.
11th standard. See, you also got a fan following there. Wow.
I am Neve Mehta from 12th grade.
12th grade. Guys, come on. One again from 12th grade. Look, 12th grade have more fan following. Yeah.
I am Niyati Tayal from grade 11.
Okay, grade 11.
I am Bhavya Jain from grade 11.
Okay.
I am Shyam Agrawal from grade 12.
Okay, grade 12. So we are going 11th, 11th and 12th. That's how everything have been done, the combination. Yeah, please.
I'm Dev Chandak from class 11.
Okay, class 11. Oh, look at that. He already has got so many people backing him up. Wow.
Jain from class 12.
Class 12th. Okay, great.
I'm Afan Patel from class 11.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. So, boys and girls, what are we doing? Welcome all of you here. I'll tell you what we are doing in first, We're going to have a lot of audience question. And Bilal sir, who are going to be the one who are going to be helping us out in the audience? And have you kept your prize ready? Guys, what say? Let me start with the audience question. Kya bolte ho? Can we? Okay, let's see. Who can answer this audience questions? Let me get my questionnaire bank here. And I'm all getting ready for that. It's more not about the prize, but how many of you people can crack this. And then we'll go strictly straight to the quiz where you're going to write your points. I'm going to explain you the rounds. I'm going to tell you how it's going to be done. But there has to be more energy here, guys. The energy is something which is lacking. I want more energy here. Come on, powerhouse. No need to be nervous. It's your school. This is not an inter-school, right? So audience, get ready here. Question number 1 for the audience. Let's see how many of the hands goes up here. The first question, and this is for this generation, or we call this Gen Zs, right? Come on, I hope so. You're all on the Insta, and there's a question from it. And let's see who is the one who raises the hand first, and we're going to have that. Based on which social media influencer? Based on which social media influencer campaign Bournvita has now reduced its sugar content from 37.4 grams sugar per 100 gram to lower 32 gram per 100 gram. And I can see that hand going up straight away when I said that boy here. Yeah, in the balcony, I can. Tall, lanky boy. Can you tell me your name, darling? Sorry? Take a mic. Pick up a mic.
Ali Asghar,
Okay, Ali Asghar. What's the answer?
food farmer.
Food farmer. Is he correct? Do you know the name of that guy? Who's a food farmer? Who's a social media influencer?
I don't know his name.
Okay, it's Revant Himmat Singha, but you said food farmer. Give it to him. Wow. Joe Goenkas. Come on, guys. This boy, come down here. What's your name? Come down fast. Come down. Come down, Ali Asgar, come down. Yeah. Where is his prize? Bilal sir. Ajay, give it him. Come with that prize fast. Are you there on the Instagram? Are you following him? Acha, you are watching YouTubes, right? You're not on Insta? You're only on Insta. You know your madam is here. Whom do you follow on Insta? Tell me later, don't worry. Okay, guys, let a round of applause for him. Come on. Okay, we got the first question, guys. Comes the second audience question. Come on, audience, get excited. He wanted something. Food pharmacy. I don't know whether you people have heard about that, but this man is doing an excellent job for making India very, very, very healthy, right? A good channel to follow it up. My question to you all people, the next thing, guys, if you're ready, take this one. This is my one of the favorite question, which I'm putting it forward to you. Take it. The personality got featured in Time magazine cover page. This personality got featured in Times magazine cover page in 1920s as well as 1930. None of us were there. The richest billionaire on the earth. There was nothing like billionaire concept at that point. Was the richest person on the earth. He was an Indian. Which Indian am I talking of? Come on, audience, pull this up. 1920. Ambani nahi tha 1920 mein bhai. Hey Bhagwan. Where is Ambani coming in 1920? Bhai? He must be in his Huggies, man. Come on. Ambani is kahan yaar? They not even started Ambani's. Oh, he's telling Adani. Oh my God. How is Adani possible? Who is that guy I'm talking about? Okay, there's a hand going on up. Yes, darling.
Jamshedji Tata.
Jamshedji Tata. Good guess. Wrong answer. Okay, it's a good guess. No, I'm waiting for the answer. Now Bilal sir increase the price. Okay? The one who answers is on the left will get one more dairy milk. On the right also should get the dairy milk. Okay? And that person will get 2 dairy milks now. Come on. I'm increasing the price. वो देखो Google कर रहा है लड़का. Very bad. Come on. Tell me fast. Anyone? Anyone from the team who wants to try? He's saying Birla, guys. Is Birla the correct answer? No, it's the wrong answer. Come on. Tata's आ गए, बिरला आ गए, अंबानी आ गए, अडानी आ गए. अब कौन बचा है? हाँ? Sorry?
Seth Hukumchand.
Seth Hukumchand. नाम सुना हुआ है. Good guess. Wrong answer. Come on. Anyone else? Should I give it to someone else? What should I do, Bilal sir, if none of them knows it? Should I pass it on? Who gets the dairy milk? None of them gets the answer. Bilal sir बोल रहा है मेरे को दे दो ये. Very smart, huh? Come on, guys. Guys, can I have this one? Come on. Okay, for your knowledge. Okay, there's one more try. Ali Asgar is going to leave this afternoon without taking so many dairy milk. Yeah, Ali Asgar. Come on. One more try. Fast, quick.
I don't know his name, but he's a Nawab of Hyderabad.
Hey, yaar, this man is impressive. Give it away. Nawab Nizam of Hyderabad. Mir Usmania, guys. Come on. Where does he get this knowledge from, man? Come on, big round of applause, guys. Come on, tum log bhi taali bajao, yaar. He deserves, Ali Asgar deserves the place here. Nizam of Hyderabad. Wow. Amazing. Mir Usmania, Nizam of Hyderabad, only Indian to be featured in Times Magazine, Forbes list, 1920s, 1930s, the richest man. Wow. Once again, give a round of applause. Come on. So guys, this is going to be the excitement this evening, and we are about to start because Bilal sir is showing me the time. Prateek, you need to move on. Yes, darling, we'll move on. Come on. So we have this projector going on here. Yeah, ready. Can we switch off the lights? Okay, the energy is already there. We got the vibes here. GD Goenka. This is the first edition. You need to make it count. Ye photo ko hata do. Haan. Now comes the big one. Look at this, guys. Round 1. Let me explain you the rules now. Do you want to listen to round 1 rules? You have no option. You have to. Okay. Look at the first round of question. Now see, listen. We have got 6 teams here. 2 teams will walk out after second round. Guys, I'm talking to you also, okay? Although my back is there. And I'm facing them. Listen to me very carefully. You would be out of the 6 teams around. 2 teams will be walking out. Other 4 teams continues into the grand finale. So this is an elimination round. We'll have 2 rounds for the elimination. We have less time, so we'll move on. 6 questions I'm going to ask them. Who's writing the rules here? Who's the guys for the rule? Acha, you would be writing this? Okay. Guys, each and every question has 10 marks. Even audience are going to count for you. They will cheer up the loud one here around. 10 marks for the correct answer. If you don't get the correct answer, no worries. There is no negative mark. It gets passed on in this sequence which I'm talking about, okay? So titans, leaders, champions, I'll be going in this. If you answer that, if they don't know, you get it correct, you get 5 marks bonus, okay? And then I'll ask you your question. Am I clear with the rules? Anyone has any doubts? Sure? So I'm a good at explaining that. Guys, audience, are we ready to start? Now you are not going to hello. You're not going to prompt or pinpoint any of the answers at anyone. So please relax. There are a dedicated audience. If none of the audience knows, I'll come back to you. Make sense? Chalo. Let's go. Let's start, guys. Come on. Let me have the very first question. With your people, round 1. Is my team ready there, projector walo? Okay. Can we have the first question lined up? Come on. First question, round 1. Which personal hygiene product was initially sold? It's for the Titans, so nobody prompts. Which personal hygiene product was initially sold as a floor cleaner and a surgical antiseptic? Which personal? I can hear your answers, please relax. Which personal hygiene product was initially sold as a floor cleaner, and now a surgical antiseptic? You can go with your answers. See, there's no negative marking.
Dettol.
It was used as a floor cleaner and now a surgical antiseptic. You said Dettol. Are you sure? Was it a guess? It's a wrong answer. So they don't get any marks. Okay, we have a pass on here. You want to try, you can try it out. There's nothing wrong in that. There's no negative mark. You must have bola fake ho. Chalo, very good.
Savlon.
Savlon! Wrong answer. Okay. Pick your mic, girls. Come on. Pick your mic at least. Pass. Oh my God. This is the last thing you do is pass. There was no negative mark. Mic kahan hai aapka? Acha, 1 minute. Can we have a mic for them? If you have an extra mic here. Okay.
Since you have to take a guess, Harpic.
You want to take a guess? He's saying Harpic. Good guess. These are good people who are getting good guess. No? Yeah? Come on. Think of something else. Come on. I can't give you more time. Pass? Come on. You can make your friends here. Pass? Okay, I think I'll go on pass. अरे भैया रिबन नहीं काटना है बोलो हाँ
Phenyl.
Once you say pass, then I'll take it as a 5. Phenyl. Okay. Very innocent guess. Not bad. Audience, if I keep on coming to you like this, oh, there's a girl here coming in. Yeah. Girl. Yeah. What's your name, dear? Sakshi. Fast. Good guess. Again, no. Yeah. Yeah, that boy. Hey, give it to him. Listerine, guys. This is the correct answer. You heard about a brand called Listerine? Audience gives away. Give him a prize. Deserves. Usko hi dena, aju baju walo ko mat dena. Only one, Okay, so Titans missed out on the first opening. Question 2. Can we have a question 2? Kedabara, inspired by the magical word abracadabra, is the original name of which company? Okay, can we move on? Okay, can we move on to the third question? Please delist it out. Move on to the third question. I'll tell you why later. Third question. Yeah, please, this one. This company's original goal was to sell a baking powder and a soap along with chewing gum as a freebie. This gum instead became their highest selling product. जो चीज फ्री में दे रहे थे वो उनका मेन धंधा बन गया. Leaders want to guess that fast. Come on. Oh, guys, you're not going to guess it. Shh. You should have been here to guess it. Come on. Guys, fast. I can wait only for 5 seconds. 5.
Boomer.
Boomer! Boomer. No, 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 boomer. Yeah.
Happy Dent.
Happy Dent. अभी सब chewing gum का आपको नाम सुनने मिलेगा. No. Center Fresh. No. अभी कौन सा बचा हुआ है? There's no marks for the guessing. Come on.
Hubba Bubba.
What is that? Hey, guys, there is some new chewing gum. Wait, hold on. Oh, she said it very beautifully. Loudly, come on.
Hubba Bubba.
Abba Baba kya hai? Which chewing gum is this, guys? Where do you get in Surat? You get this Abba Baba. Kya hai ye? Acha, yeah? Oh, I'm so sorry. I was not knowing this. Okay, no, darling, no. Yeah?
Trident.
No, what's happening here? Anyone? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed out on you all, guys. Yeah. Bubble gum? No. What's happening with the question? This is a tough question. I need to flip around with sub questions. So that is why question number 2 I flipped off. Come on, anyone? Yeah. No. Anyone else? No. Okay, I'll give it to you. It's Happy Dent. Nobody said Happy Dent. Who said? You said Happy Dent? Why did I not listen this properly? You said Happy Dent? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. Happy Dent, you said it. Next time you see, you are speaking on mic. Did you say it on mic? Oh, there's something wrong with me, guys. Apologies. Please give them a 10 mark. Can we have a round of applause for her? And apologies. Happy Dent. It's a pass on. 5 marks for them. 5 marks for them. Okay. Now is the champions, your question, which goes on. Okay, this one is for you. The 4th one. Which chocolate brand has launched a single origin dark chocolate variant such as Peru Dark Amazon, Venezuela Ebony Twist, Tanzania Chocolate Noir? Now you're going to shout that. Hey, you speak up the mic and loud. Come on. It's your turn now. Any chocolate brands you can speak. There's no negative mark here.
Lint.
Lint. No, Lint is not the correct answer. Come on. Sorry? No. Said Smitten loudly on the mic. Actually, you guys don't have a mic. I'll give you the mic.
Smitten.
Just look at the answer double. Alright? And if I in case miss out, you can help me out. Okay. Yeah. Your answer. Mic? Yeah. Loudly.
Amul.
Amul. Was it a guess? She said it was a guess, but give it her. It's Amul. Wow. 5 marks. They are getting it. They said, yeah, we also were knowing the answer, but they were the first one. The team is innovator, sir. What you can do is, darling, you can write your marks here. You have the pen? Can we have someone giving them the pen, please? You also write your marks, 5. I think what you got it. Anyone have you got the marks here? Okay. How many teams are left out now? Pioneers? 3 teams are left out. Okay. Very simple. Where is the headquarters of Bata Shoes? Come on. I think that is what I'm saying the question. 5th one, sir. 5th one. The question is there on the screen. Pioneers, it's your turn. Where is the headquarters of Bata Shoes? You have to tell me the country. Even the country, it's fine. Country is better, no? Rather than city. You can tell me city? I don't mind. Yeah, pick up the mic.
India.
India is the guess. Guys, audience, what is it? India? Bata, Tata, sab kuch apna, right? Is it? Yes or no? Bata, and if audience says no, we have to say no. So sorry. Yeah.
Singapore.
Singapore is not the correct answer.
England.
It's a pass on. England. We got India, we got Singapore, we got England. Hope so you don't tell me Bangladesh. Okay, tell me. Pull your mic up fast.
France.
France. Bata is from France? No. Yes, this boy is smiling. Yeah, he knows the answer. Pull up your mic.
Brazil.
Brazil. Oh, they're known for the football team, right? Not for the shoes, huh? Yeah.
Switzerland.
Switzerland? Was this a guess? Yeah, what's your name?
Lisa.
Sorry?
Lisa.
Lisa. Guys, Lisa said Switzerland. Give her a big round of applause. Wow. This team is killing, huh? Champions are real champions here. They are pulling it slowly and gradually. 5 marks, guys. They're making space for themselves. Come on. It's innovators. Innovators, get ready. It's your turn, right? Guys, pioneers, your turn is done, right? Innovators, get ready now. Okay. Originally BMW. Question number 8, if you can pull up, sir. Originally BMW was a manufacturer of which engine? Pull your mic, darling. Huh.
Jet engines.
Jet engines. Plane. Plane bolo, jet engines bolo. You read somewhere this? Where did you read this? कहीं पढ़ा था, कहीं तो नेट पे पढ़ा था. और पढ़ा था तो सच्ची होगा. Guys, ताली बजाओ यार. BMW originally were manufacturer of airplanes, guys. Wow. This team has got 10 marks. 10 marks, right, sir? Innovators. Excellent. Guys, come on. You need to pull it up here. Right. This comes the last question of this round. Achievers, get ready. Which bank launched first app? The country's, okay, the 9th one, okay, already is there. Which bank launched first app? The country's first sticker-based debit card. Sticker-based debit card. You pull your mic up. You can guess anyone, there's no wrong in guess. Simple question, yeah.
SBI.
SBI, State Bank of India, India's largest bank, no.
Citibank.
Citibank, they are not operating now in India anymore. Citibank, at least the credit card business is shut. So no.
HDFC.
HDFC, all banks abhi milega naam. Look at the guesses, yeah. Yeah. Lisa, you want to try? Because whenever you guess, you always guess correct. Pull up the mic, darling. Yeah.
Yes Bank.
Yes Bank, okay. No, we pass on to Pioneers. Pioneers. Axis Bank. Was this a guess? Let it be a guess. It's wrong. Okay. Innovators. Innovators.
ICICI Bank.
ICICI. Okay. Am I left with someone more? Is it done? Okay. Audience, you want to try this? Yeah? The boy there, yeah. Oh, look at his confidence. He's sitting on the last row. I'm not sure he knows whether it's correct or not. Even I have not said it's correct. But he's standing up, you know, almost like a Salman Khan, saying it's IDFC. Give it to him, boy. Give it to him. It's IDFC. None of you guessed this, guys. IDFC. Sir, please come here. Can you tell me the scores, please, very quickly, so we can go on to the second round, which is going to be a qualifier.
Innovators are at 15 points.
Can you confirm your score, please? Innovators are innovators. Yeah.
Okay.
Your score is 15. Confirm? Okay.
Achievers have started still.
Achievers have yet not started. Okay.
Pioneers same. They need to
Pioneers have yet not started. It's okay. Okay.
Titans and leaders are still to start.
Where are Titans? Okay. Titans. Okay.
And champions are at 10.
Champions are at 10. Where are champions? Okay. Champions are 10. So guys, can we have a round of applause for innovators who are leading right now? At 15. Champions are following them at 10. I think other 4 teams are yet to open, but this is going to be an interesting one because this is a buzzer round. Oh, sorry. This is a buzzer round. You know what is buzzer round? You pull the buzzer round and it's going to be interesting now. I'm going to pull it up something for them. But this is going to be, guys, team. Pay attention. Because this will be a round where I'm going to ask you 6 questions, quick. I would have loved to ask audience questions, but then we'll come in later when we start the grand finale because we're running short of time. But this is something very interesting thing. Now look at this, what I'm asking you all. Okay, I'll ask them to do that. First, understand these rules, dear. 6 questions to be asked on the stage. 3 questions of logo and 3 questions of tagline. I'm going to give you logos, I'm going to give you tagline. There is going to be some buzzer here. Where is Bilal sir? Can you explain how to go and press this buzzer and all? Just can you tell to the audience?
They have the iPads. On that, we have the buzzer app. The monitor is here. As soon as they press, the sequence will be seen and they can also see who has pressed first. So we'll just check it once. We have already formulated it since yesterday. So it's working absolutely fine.
Lovely way of buzzer, man. Come on. These are all efforts which have been done by them. Excellent school, excellent, man. Excellent team, man. Come on. Guys, check your buzzers. Who's checking it? Is it all fine? All of you have checked it? Once more. Everybody, I'll tell you 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All working? Okay. Ready to take on the next guy. Guys, this is going to be interesting. Guys, rule once again. 10 marks. Whoever gets it correct first. If you get it wrong, I will take away your -5. I will take away your 5 marks. That is going to be -5 to you. So be careful. Now, those who have got 0 are very happy. Doesn't matter. But still be going in minus. So be careful about that. There are 6 questions coming towards you. You can take the leads here. 4 teams stays back. 2 teams have to walk down. This is a qualifier, guys. Can we have a round of applause once again for them? Come on. Guys, this is the first time happening. They're all here. Little nervous. You need to cheer them up. Come on, let's go with the first question. My team at the back end is ready now. Okay, can we have a quick audience question one? Okay, chalo, fast. With the revenue, now this is my favorite question. If anyone can spot on get this one, come on. You get 2 dairy milks, left and right, front and that is back. All of them gets it, okay? Let's go and find out. With a revenue of 30 billion US dollars and a 560 million net income, with an employee of 12,12,882, who am I referring to? I'll repeat. $30 billion of net revenue, net income of 560 million US dollars, 12,882 employees. Which entity, organization am I talking of? What am I talking of? Okay, this girl is the first to raise the hand. There's a boy who has raised his hand. Okay, dear, where is this girl? It's Microsoft? No. Yeah? That boy? Yeah. Louder. Wipro? No. Amazon? No. ITC? No. No, you're going to tell me the answer. I'm going to take that. You have to raise your hand. Dhaval is raising his hand. iOS? Okay, what if I tell you this is a government company? Yeah, that boy in the red. NASA. Okay. No, it's a wrong answer.
LIC.
LIC. No. No. IRFC. All are guessing. Guys, any team wants to guess here? No marks for you, but anyone want to guess this? Yeah? This girl? What's your name?
Bhavya Jain.
Sorry?
Bhavya Jain. Bhavya Jain.
Bhavya. D. Bhavya D. Bhavya D. Okay, bolo. Bhavya Jain. Bolo.
Indian Railways.
Guys. She said Indian Railways. Give it a big round of applause to her. She deserves a rightful place here among you all guys. Excellent, Bhavya Jain. Superb. Right, am I pronouncing your name properly? Bhavya Jain? Oh, what is it? Sorry? Jain. Now what is it, Bhavya? Bhavya wants a big round of applause. She's saying people are very, very with feeble energy. But give it to her, man. Wow, Indian Railways. I think she deserves one dairy milk. Please give it to her. Wow. Okay, guys, let's get ready for the second round. Okay, the first brand coming towards you, number 1. Sir, projector pay, can we have the number 1 brand in this? Identify this brand. Come on, quick, buzzer. Okay, this is, no, you're not going to shout, guys. Look at the audience excitement coming on here. Who is the one, ma'am? Pioneers, they were jumping from the seat. I hope so they know the correct answer. Or I will take away -5. Pringles is the correct. Give it to them. Oh, they got a 10 marks. Yahan jo jeeta wo Sikandar. Pioneers have came back here very strongly. They've opened up, right, the account? Okay, so Pioneers are in the lead now. Come on. Interesting. Guys, please don't shout. Please don't shout. Allow the teams to get in. You can come next year here on the stage. Number 4. Oh, anyone? Achieve. Where is Achievers? You press the button. I have to come to you.
Givonche.
Kivonche. Oh. My friend. You know. Oh my God. Achievers का क्या score था? And if I minus that becomes -5, but why will I do that? They are correct! Givenchy is the correct answer. Super luxury brand. Come on, give it to it, man. Amazing, amazing. This is going so well, man. Achievers are also opening up here. So guys, the pioneers, achievers, and it's getting tight here. Nobody wants to leave the stage. It's getting exciting. Are you ready, guys? Come on. Guys, can we have some noise? Come on here. Oh, this is Goenka's and Surat first corporate quiz. Like, wow. Okay. Okay. From the audience question, can we go to the number 1? Sir, be a little careful. From the audience question, can we go to the number 1? If you scroll it down, you will have that. Can you see that? No. You continue in this. Continue in this, that. Identify, okay. You continue on the same thing. No, not this. You have the 4th one. You scroll it down to the 5th one. I don't want you to ask the 5th one. Then go down. There'll be audience question. Identify the brand from its logo. It's a yellow color one. Like a sun one. No. Okay, chalega. It's okay. Identify this brand from its logo. Come on. Somebody need to press it. Who is it? Champions. You were the first one. Yes.
Toblerone.
That was for them. There was a confusion. Okay. Hold on. That I'll take the discreet of it. It's an audience question, but I had pulled it up for you all guys. Okay, but you were not ready for it, so fair enough. Let's it be fair. This is for the audience one now. I can see so many hands going up. Okay, this girl here. Yeah? Is she correct, everyone? I'll give it to her now. This was simple. Okay. The next one. Now we are going into, guys, there are 4 questions still left out. The team there, are you ready? Okay, it's a tagline. If you can put up that, great, but I'm speaking it. Now it's your question, okay? Pal banaye magical. Anyone? -5 if you go it wrong. +10 if you get it correct. Pal banaya magical. Oh, this boy is guessing something else. Pal banaya magical. Anyone? No one? Audience. I think that girl was, are we doing yoga or stretching your hand like this or something? Or you're raising your hand? Yeah. Guys, she was the first one who raised her hand. Let her give her a chance, right? And then I'll come to that fellow. Yeah. Maza? Okay, is that boy? Boy, stand up. She said she's Maza. Tell her whether she's right or wrong. You don't want to talk to her. Why? Tell her at least she's right or wrong. She's wrong. Okay. You can sit down. Yeah. Now I'll judge whether you are right or wrong. Sorry? Pulse? I'm very bad at hearing. No. Sony, no. Pal banaya magical. Come on. Anyone? Okay, this girl? Pulse chocolate? No. Okay, that boy, yeah. Mentos? No. That girl is jumping. Oh my God, you'll fall down. No. Okay. Magic masala? ये क्या बनाता मैजिक मसाला? Okay, no, magic masala. Come on, anything else coming on? Okay, yeah, that boy the last. What? No maza, no slice. Yes. What? No. Yeah. Maggie, no. Sab fake re bindas. Fruity, no. I think we need to end up here. Sorry, it was Lays. Lays. अरे ये बोल रहा मैंने क्या बोला था, काई को नहीं किया यार, पर कर लेता और गलत होता तो फिर लफड़ा हो जाता. ओके, हाँ, ओके. This is the first one, the former one. Now they keep on changing every 2 years. Okay. Okay. The second one now. Second, good food, good life. Very simple. Good food, good life. Anyone. Press somebody. Innovators, yes, innovators. Again this girl, guys, Let's see whether she's right or not. Nestle, this is a serious talent we have got at GD Goenka. Clap for her. It's Nestle. Wow. How can you miss out? The crunch of the worlds. Maggies of the worlds. Wow. Nestle. She's getting 10 points, sir. If anyone can keep a count of the question, how many questions I've done with? 4? Okay. Last 2 questions, guys. After that, 2 teams walks down. Last 2. You see your chances here. Those who have got 0 can play a smart game here. Right? Mila to us par, nahi to us par, right? Let's see how we can just go and get this one. Come on. Third one. I think second ke baad third. Okay, I'll speak that. Let it be on the screen. Guys, listen to team. Sorry? Aage. Third one, yeah. Identify the brand from its tagline, Jitne colors utni masti. Jitne colors utni. Titans. Jams, Cadbury Jams. Jitne colors utni masti. Sahi hai ye masti. No, so that is fine. Doesn't even go and give it to that. It's even for the questions the people tried it. So there's nothing wrong in there. That comes for the last question. They could have got it -5. Here, now in this, hold on. How many are on the 0 here? Can we have the score before we just can get check on? What is the score like here? Achievers are yet to start. Leaders, no, I want the score, proper score, sir. Achievers are 10. Where is achievers? Put your hands up. Okay, achievers are at 10. Innovators at 20. 25. Where are innovators, guys? Guys, clap for them. Even if they don't do anything, they'll still qualify. There are 4 teams you want to take it. Pioneers 10. Where are pioneers? Okay, pioneers 10. Titans are 10. Where are titans? Okay, titans are 10. Leaders, where are leaders? Leaders are yet to start. Champions and 10. Now I want someone, which team are at 0 here? Which team are at 0? Okay. Now you have to be careful here. In the last question we do this. You guys have to be careful. This is going to be a final question. If there is a tie-up, then I'll ask you a question because the team has to, 2 team has to go down. Dhaval, is it proper? We want to give it a try, right? Okay, let's go. Sir, if you're there at the projector, the very next one. Identify the brand from its tagline, the happiest place on the earth. Anyone? Leaders. McDonald's. There is no pass here. McDonald's, what do you say, guys? Give it to him. McDonald's, happiest place on the earth. What do you do at McDonald's who becomes happy? How is McDonald's so happy for you? No, it was, what's the answer? Oh, but no marks for you all guys here. They get -5 leaders. Oh, and we got the 4 teams here. 2 teams need to walk down. Can we have Bilal sir coming here to tell us quickly what are the scores here? Bilal sir, take the mic here.
We have achievers on 10 points, innovators 25, pioneers 10, titans 10, leaders -5, and champions on 10. So that makes it tie between pioneers, titans, and champions for the third and the fourth position.
So achievers are at 10. So guys, can we clap for innovators who have easily got into it? Okay, we got achievers at 10, we got pioneers at 10, we got titans at 10, and we got champions at 10. Now this leaders, where is the leaders? Leaders team? Leaders, hi, hello. You can have your talks later. Look at them, how engrossed they are. Guys, can we have a clap for them for just coming on this stage, showing up the grid? Can you guys please come down now because you already been not qualified here. But guys, come on, give it a big round of applause for them for coming here out of 90 teams. Okay, guys, we're going, quickly for the 2 rounds. There are a lot of audience questions which are going to get cancelled. Yes, I'm asking you one question fast. You all people can, it's a buzzer round, it's a continuous buzzer round. -5 if you get it, okay? So innovators, pioneers, achievers, 5 teams. 1 team gets disqualified here. Okay. Fifth one. Hey, shh. I think, who said that? Achievers? Yeah.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell is correct. Give him 10 marks here. Taken away. Okay, there's one more question. There's a now tie-up between pioneers, titans, and champions, right? Okay. Now I'm asking you, it's not going to be on the screen here, but I'll ask you this question straight away. So listen to me very carefully. Identify the brand from its tagline. Innovators, achievers, where are you? You're already through with it, so you don't have to answer that. The remaining, I think, 3 teams, this is the last one for you. Identify the brand from its tagline. Taste the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Anyone? Okay, the next one. Identify the brand from its tagline. I'm putting it there. हिला के रख दे. हिला के रख दे. Easy one, come on. You are already not there. Innovators and achievers. Fast, anyone? No one is trying. Come on. You want a hint? Should I give you the hint? Come on. It is something related to a consumer goods, I can tell you. Anything of that sort. Chalo, the next question is not a tagline, it's a simple question. Patanjali is headquartered in which city in India? Patanjali headquartered in which city in India? Very simple one. Patanjali, oh my God, nobody wants to take a risk. Because the moment you take a risk, you go long, it's gone. Come on. We have only 2 rounds, we had 4 rounds. For the final, we have only 2 rounds now. Because the time is taken up. Okay. Okay, the next one, fast. Which Indian company owns CNBC, Colors, MTV, etc.? Which Indian company owns CNBC, MTV, Colors? Somebody need to take a risk fast. Either you're in or out. Come on. Sorry? Which Indian company owns CNBC, MTV, Colors, etc.? Fast. Next one. Which Japanese apparel clothing brand has recently entered Indian market? Japanese. You can try this. Oh, no. They are hearing up. Oh, none of them are trying. Though, what should we be doing here? There are too many questions coming up. Oh, Dhaval is having a question now.
Yeah, quick couple of questions. Capital of Norway, first. I wanted to get into the finals. Looks silly. And I'm going to put up something very, very easy. Cadbury is owned by which company? Name of the company which owns the brand Cadbury's. -5. Answer is Mondelez International. -5. You can be out now.
Oh, you said that answer. It's taken here. Titans. That is why we called this man to pull you out. And you got it wrong here. It was Mondelez. Of course, yes. So he was not coming for a time pass, right? Of course not. That's your problem, boss. Come on. Guys, clap for them. Oh, it was Mondelez. Sad part here. Oh, we are so sorry here. Titans, you can get it back. Okay. He gave up to the pressure here. Dhaval, very good. That is why we call you here. Right? Yeah. So sir, we have a finale here. And we have only 1 round, 2 rounds. How do you want me to take it? Only 2 rounds, guys. We actually lined up 4 rounds, but the time has gone up. So we will, because I think 12:40 you have to leave somewhere. So I think we can be quick here. 3 teams, 4 teams here. We can go ahead. Can come to grand finale, please? Come to grand finale. Okay, guys, we have only 2 rounds here. We've been cutting short from the 4 rounds to 2 rounds. Yeah. No. Final may you will have a new score. Altogether, everyone will have a new score, okay? We start from the 0 here. We start from the 0. Okay, guys, 4 teams here. We go quickly, grand finale. Get the first round in front of them, please. No, we'll get the points here. First, understand the questions here. Round 1 is googly. Individual question to each team. There are going to be 4 questions. Right? 10 points to correct answer, 5 points to the correct answer, which is password. It's like round number 1 rule only. Am I clear? Okay, sir, are we ready? Okay, the very first one. We start from you champions. First one, come on. I want you to connect them to a common brand. Anything you can find a connector. This is a connector. Zara. Last time I was in Surat, I went there to that mall which is nearby Zara. AirAsia, Starbucks, Star Bazaar. There is something common between them. Anyone wants to try? You take a 10 marks for this. Quick. I think they're already knowing from the audience the answer. Look at that. But I'm not going to come there. Yeah, fast. I think your time is up. Your time is up. Fast.
Tata.
How Tata? Tell me, how Tata? How is Tata here, guys? How is Tata? Is he correct? Give him 10 marks. Tatas have a joint venture. It's Starbucks, AirAsia, Star Bazaar and Zara. They are the joint venture JV partner. Zara is owned by Inditex. Again a Zara one here. Excellent. 10 marks here for the champions. They opened with a bang here. They left it from where they were. Okay. I think the second one. If you can zoom in thoda, I think बच्चों को दिखना चाहिए audience को भी. Zoom thoda. अगर कर सो, it's okay. All of these things I'll read out. All of these things are made by a company of the same group. Name the group. Burj Khalifa, ultrasound machine, iPad retina display, and ships. You can take a mic and your time is here. Take the mic. Take the mic.
Samsung.
What's your name? Hitanshi said Samsung. Give it. I think she got a hint from the Burj Khalifa, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, amazing. Now this is the worthy of a final, guys. Can I give a big round of applause? Come on, guys. Okay, they are killing it. They are killing it here. So pioneers done, champions done. We come to innovators. Everybody have opened the brands. Okay, I will tell you which one. Okay, the third one. Which common among the following is brands? Spotify, IKEA, H&M, Ericsson. What is common among the following brands? Something common. Something common. H&M, IKEA is heard, H&M is heard, Ericsson, Mobile Wala, Spotify, we all know that. Guess. Pull up the mic fast. I think I need to move on. Pass? You want to try some? Uh-oh, you're looking at the answer very bad. Okay, I think I give it enough time. Pass on. Yeah. No? You want to look at the iPad? There are no answers here. Okay, yeah. It's a pass on, right? Fast. I'm yet to come to it. Okay, call me if I forget. No? Okay, but there's no minus marks here. No? They're too scared. No, I want the answer. What are they common for? Anyone, audience? Fast. Okay, I think this girl is raising the hand. US based company was a very, very good guess with something related to that. Dhaval is raising his hand, but this boy, yeah. Norway. Oh my God, you're so closer. Yeah. Sweden, give it to him. Okay, you don't win the prize, but you at least get this, dear. Sweden, there are headquarters in Sweden, guys. Clap for this boy, come on. Okay, this is the last question coming up now. Okay. Name the parent, fifth one. Fifth one. Name the parent company of the following brands. It's your turn. I think your turn. Achievers. Name the parent company of the following brands. Domino's Pizza, Popeyes, Mo, Dunkin' Donuts. एक कोई कंपनी है जो सब प्रोडक्ट ओन करता है. नाम बताओ कंपनी का.
Juvenile Foodworks.
Sorry?
Juvenile Foodworks.
Juvenile. Juvenile is... You don't remember the exact word? Juvenile food works. The food works is correct. Juvenile, for the spelling mistake, I'm the quiz master. Let me ask my boss. Boss, you should not. Okay, the boss said no, I'm sorry. I'll come back to you, yeah. I'll come back to you. You can have your heart in your mouth for the time being, yeah. No. Jovial. Arey वाह. Juvenile, jovial, something J se hai. Jubilant, give it to him. Jubilant Foodworks. This is Jubilant Foodworks, guys. Domino's Pizza खाली खाते हो, देखते नहीं हो किसके पास है. 5 marks for them. Okay, we are done with this round one. I would have loved audience to come to you all, guys, but Bilal sir is just showing me an, eye to me. Pratik, there you go to the audience now. You'll have to wrap it up. Can I have the 8th one for the audience? चलो यार मजा ही करा लो. ये बच्चे मजा के लिए आए. Audience क्या करेगा? 8th one, come on. Audience. 8th one, guys. What is common among the following products? Axe, Cornetto. I can see Ponds. I can see Red Label. Okay, this girl is smiling. Ponds to Cornetto. No, अभी सब में टाटा थोड़ी ना होता. हाँ, this boy. The boy with the specs. Hey, bhai. Oh. कुछ भी फेंकता है. Okay, that girl in the very corner, diagonal 45 degree. Is it Dabur? Ponds from Dabur? Chavanprash wala? No, dear, no. Okay, that boy, yeah. No, piche. Hey, give it to him. It's Unilever. Hindustan Unilever Limited. Wow. Give prizes to the whole row, bhai. Give it to them. Sabko do. Tino ko do. Diya tino ko? Very good. Chalo. Give it to them, guys. One more audience. ये देखो. Audience wants कि भैया इनका कुछ भी हो हमारे. Okay, the last one. The ninth one. What is common among the following brands? Perk, Tresemme, Fruity, Flipkart. Anyone guess? Even you guys can guess. Yeah, that boy in the red suit. Walmart? Perk, Walmart? No. What else? Anyone? Yeah, that girl? Stand up. Come here. Come here fast. Somebody said me Ranbir Kapoor, somebody said me Alia Bhatt. They were short of telling me Katrina Kaif. You said Alia Bhatt. Come. How did you guess that? Are you right or wrong? Alia Bhatt. How did you say Alia Bhatt? What's your name?
Janvi Chopra from class 12.
Okay, Janvi Chopra from class 12. She said Alia Bhatt. Are you Alia Bhatt fan? No, she's not an Alia Bhatt fan, but she got it correct. Give it a big round for Janvi. Give her 3 chocolates, sir. 3 chocolates. Kanjusi mat karo. Aur do usko. Haan. Nothing we're going to take back home. Janvi, guys, can we have for Janvi? Come on, man. Janvi Chopra, not a fan of Alia Bhatt, but she wants the Cadbury's back, right? Okay, guys, round 2, the last round. I think we have it, right? Last round, guys. This is going to decide it. There were 4 rounds actually, but then we are running short of it. So some of you are going to be a winner here. But guys, I want some noise. Are you enjoying? I'm not getting in. If I say you're not enjoying, Bilal sir yahan se bhaga denge. If I say you're enjoying, we can sit back. You can have the lunch at your place. Come on. Go and have it. Okay. I'll ask the last round for them. We'll have the winners. Before I announce the winners, we'll have 2 audience questions we're going to give away. That is my favorite one. I don't know if Dhaval can give it to them because they're going to be the best 2 questions going to come. We have done a lot of research in getting that questions right, and I hope so you appreciate that. But let that question be stored for the later part of this. 4 questions I'm going to ask you. Round 2, right? It's going to be a buzzer round. It's going to be a buzzer round. Okay? Get ready for this. Okay. Buzzer round. My team at the back end, AV buzzer round, Yorker wala. I mean, you have that one. Just show me thumbs up. Okay. Okay, correct. We don't have the audios here. You have negative marking, same rule like this. Wrong answer. No. I'll explain them the rule. This is not the rule applicable here. It's the second round rule which is applicable. Sir, we're going to make it very tough for them because we had 4 rounds. We are not putting a 2 rounds on. It was a lovely audio visual rounds. You were given some music, some speeches and all the thing, but because we have a time constraint, we can't play all of that. We'll do one thing, directly we'll run to the 5th round. Now this is going to be a swinger, 5th round. Backhand team, go to the 5th round. It's buzzer on. I'll tell you the rules, there are going to be new rules here. 5th round. Round number 5th, it's swinger. Scroll, keep on scrolling. You will see round number 5. Okay, till then, I can explain the rules. Listen now, this is a lovely rule here. Please look at that. Audience, for your knowledge, now this is the last 4 questions I'm going to ask you, not more than that. 40 points in the first hint. Look at it. You get it correct. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to give you 4 hints. If you get first hint pe correct, audience, first hint pe correct, you get 40 marks. Okay? But you get it wrong, if you put the buzzer on, you get it wrong, you straight away get -10. Okay? If none of them answers, it won't go to the audience. We'll give them second hint. If they get it correct in the second hint, how much marks do they get? How much marks do they get? 30 marks do they get it. Okay? Again, if you get it wrong in the second hint, -10. Third hint pe you get it, 20 points. 4th hint pe you get the 10 points. I'm going to ask you 4 questions. It's a buzzer round. Any doubts? Any doubts? Guys, any doubts here? Okay, what's the point? What's the score here? Okay, champions are 10. Pioneers are 10. Innovators are 5. Right? Okay. So these are the team, and this can swing. You can reach 100 points also in this round. Hence, it's called swinger. It can swing in any direction. Get ready for this. Come on. Okay. Okay. First, second, and third. Can you come on the third one? Can you come on the third one? If you can scroll down third, there's no number given. I'll just read out that. Chairman of an Indian pharmaceutical company is Israel Macau. Okay. It is all the 4 questions that came in. Okay, forget it. I don't want to give you all the 4 questions here. I wanted to only give you the first hint as such. But this, now you can freeze on this. I'll ask them the questions orally. We don't want anything on the screen here, okay? Guys, I'll put up a next question to you. Anyone wants to try this? You're not going to get marks for this. Anyone knows this? Chairman of this Indian pharmaceutical company is Israel Macau in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Manufactures and sells pharmaceutical formulations. Company offers formulation in various therapeutic areas, cardiology, psychiatry. It's a Gujarati managing director. Gujarati Kapil Vaishnav is the one who manages his Sun Pharma. You heard about Sun Pharma? That's a big giant pharmaceutical company, right? Okay. This is my favorite. Now listen to this very carefully. First hint. It took 8 months to clear the debris of 1.6 million ton, out of which 3.5 lakh ton was sold at 50,000 per ton, went to China. 30,000 rupees per ton in Punjab for building. 20,000 went to Chennai for making fridges. 8 months to clear the debris of 1.6 million ton. Total debris of 1.6. मत नहीं दिखाना है. हाँ. Please don't put anything on the screen. Took 8 months to clear the debris of 1.6 million. Freeze it, please. Took 8 months to clear the debris of 1.6 million ton, out of which 3.5 lakh ton was sold at 50,000, went to China. This is my favorite. Come on, anyone want to try this? Any buzzes going on here? Second hint. Can I go with the second hint? Anyone press the button? Okay, second hint. It was designed between 1966 1975. It once symbolized globalization and America's economic power. Oh my God, this is for 15 marks. Anyone can easily march into this and win the competition. 15 marks. 30, sorry. 40 ka iske baad 30, I'm sorry. 30 marks. Oh, the first one was 1.6 million ton of debris. Then this is globalization and America's economic power. The third one. Currently, now you should get this for 20 marks. Currently replaced by the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere at 1776 feet and as a memorial reflecting pools and center, rapid transit hub and elevated park. You have pressed the button? Sorry? Well, yeah. Oh, achievers have gone for it. It's going to be for 20 marks. If they get it wrong, minus 10. He's hiding his face. Let's see the answer.
New York State Building.
New York State Building. What was your marks? Achievers? How much? 0. Oh, this goes to minus 10 now. Okay. Now we cannot. We go to the last hint for 10 marks. Attack killed 2600 people, 157 people on board. Biggest terrorist attack ever witnessed on American soil. Oh. Yeah, I think they have gone. Achievers, sorry, achievers. Why? They can, huh? But they give it wrong, but fourth round they cannot try. They can get 10. But why? Why? I want to know why. Achievers can. If they know that, fast now, I want the answer.
Twin Tower.
Twin Towers, World Trade Center. 1.6 million tons of debris, guys. Kahan milega ye dekhne yaar? Come on. Could have guessed that 1.6 million tons of debris. So they again come back to 0. This is called equalizers. Look at them, they're smiling now. Okay. I come to the third question now. Okay, now this one you got to write. Okay. I'm going to give you that one. He's a 45-year-old American. At that time he was 45. This question is a little pizza wala, so not the exact age right now. Right? Who began his wrestling career with the name of The Prototype in the year 2000. The Prototype in the year 2000. Forget about his age. Is an American who began his wrestling career with the name Prototype in the year 2000. Anyone for the 40 marks? Second. Second hint. Along with being a wrestler, he's a professional actor and author who has written books. Anyone? Achievers.
Brock Lesnar.
Again. Louder. Arey, kya sharma rahe ho? You don't have to name your girlfriend. Come on.
John Cena.
John Cena! Give them 30! Oh my God! They are coming from back and killing it. John Cena, they were smiling at each other. They were looking sheepishly at each other. Who's going to answer it? One of them said the wrong answer, what I feel it, but he was the one who officially said it. Give a round of applause to him, guys. Wow, 30 marks. John Cena. That's allowed because officially what they have not said me, I will take that in. Others are not allowed it. Oh my God, 30 mark taken. Next question, guys. Are we having this last question now? This is okay. So I have been shown the hand. This is the last question now. Last question. What's the score before the last question? Fast. Okay, achievers are at 30. This is what the swinger is. 30. देखो कहीं भी नहीं नसीब देखो कैसा टुक्का मारता है. देखो 30. Then innovators at 5. Innovators, if you can get this correct, you can become 45. Okay, it's going to be interesting. Pioneers 10. And champions 10. Okay, the last one. Anyone still can win. It's open game. Come on. Look at the last one. He's one of the richest billionaires on this planet and a son of a former congressman from Nebraska, Omaha. Nebraska, Omaha. He's the richest billionaire. I want to know the name. 40 marks. Come on. Come on. Anyone going in? Anyone typing it? No one. No one. We're getting late. Can we move on to the second hint? His nickname is Oracle of Omaha. Oracle of Omaha. If you are a student, you should be knowing him. Oracle of Omaha. No one is trying this for 30. Comes to 20. After being rejected by Harvard Business School, he enrolled at Columbia Business School to do an MBA. The last hint for the 10 marks. His first stock purchase was 1941. He brought 3 preferred stock for himself, for his sisters. Stock dropped nearly 30% after the Pearl Harbor attack. Finally got back to $40. A few months later, the stock soared to $200. Already a hint. Come on. Anyone? Anyone? It was Warren Buffett. Right? There's somebody who got the Warren Buffett. Okay, so I think that was the last thing. I think it's over, guys, here. And who has won it, man? Is it Achievers? Oh, look at them. Pull it up for Achievers, guys. Bring them on the stage here. Wow, they came from behind. Wow, look at them. Guys, congratulations. Wow, what an inning they played it. John Cena saved them. Hard luck to all the 3. Can we have a round of applause for all the 3 teams, guys? They fought hard. Especially this girl, I can see that girl. I mean, such a bright, talented GD Goenka here. Guys, wow, Goenka. Come on. Ma'am, can we have some trophies and something for them? Or no? Later. Acha. Is this the trophy? Okay, certificates later for them. And later, I think, definitely, we will have something. Jayashree ma'am is going to arrange something for you for sure. She's just telling me. Guys, can we have a big round of applause? Okay, we have run short of time. But the projector guy, just a one request. You have 1 minute time. If I can ask my favorite question, 1 minute. Can we have that? Guys, anyone answers this, straight away, you tell me and I'm ready to give you whatever you wanted. But I want it at one go, okay? Get ready for this, the last one. Projector, can you get it on? Fast projector. Okay. I want you all people. So if you come to round 1 of Googly, round 1 of grand finale, come back to round 1 of Googly, if you can come there. Take the last question. 11th question. 11th question. Fast. 11th question of first round grand finale. Googly. If you can put that up. Which brand advertisement is this? Guys, anyone answers me, I'm going to be impressed. We last time gave some very huge prizes at some other cities and all. Which brand advertisement is this? मैं गांव से आया हूँ ना. Very good. Calvin Klein? Okay, she's at Calvin Klein. You think I'm going to give you 5 what those Cadbury's and all this thing? We last time gave somebody, Bilal sir was there, AirPods we gave them. Yeah. दिख रहा है ना? हमारे से गलती हो गया इधर. Yes. Sorry? Calvin Klein. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can you move on, sir? The second one, please. Second one fast. आगे करो. Type it. आगे. No. आगे ऊपर जाओ. फिर से ऊपर जाओ. Go back to that original. Okay. Everybody are wrong here. Anyone last guess? It's not Calvin Klein. क्या लिखा है इंग्लिश में? Which brand advertisement is this? I think that boy looks confident. Yeah, this boy. Yeah. For this answer. Yeah. Anyone? Okay, I think it's time up. We are sorry here, but yeah, Bilal sir has got it. Bilal sir, come here. Tell them what's the answer.
Jockey.
No, बिलाल सर आपके लिए भी गुगली. देखो बच्चे खुश हो रहे हैं. सर भी कभी गलत हो सकते हैं. The answer is it's a Levi's low waist jeans and hence Calvin Klein. Can you see the low waist jeans? So when you wear a low waist jeans, you can see that Calvin Klein. Hello, that's an advertisement of that. Can we have a round of applause for our team who has just taken this out, guys? Have you understood why low waist jeans? And you can see that. So that's all we have it, guys. Thank you very, very much. GD Goenka, we can meet next year with much more buzz. Guys, did you enjoy it or not? Okay, thank you for this thing. Bye, all of you.
I quickly invite ma'am to just share 2 minutes her thoughts with you.
Thank you, Pratik sir, for the wonderful quiz. And thank you, parents, those who are here. Hope you enjoyed. And children, although this learning was not in class, but I hope you have learned a lot of things today. And you must be aware of all the things which are happening around you for you to be smarter enough. Okay? Thank you, parents. Huh? It is...
Guys, this is the first time GD Goenka is doing. Surat is hosting a corporate quiz like this. Can we have a long round of an applause for yourself, for your school leaderships to do something like this? You know, someone last year we did it in Bombay, won Apple AirPods for this answer, and a student gave an answer. And a long round of an applause for the participating team. Congratulations, guys.
And next year we want it inter-school. So this is just an exposure to you how it can be. So just imagine something what we are doing at MAN, how we are crazy about MAN. The same way we can go crazy for this. And we can be the winners if we are exposed to things like this. Thank you so much.